So you're saying visualization and affirmations are great, but we also need to actually do the work to reach our goals.
Yeah, that's it. It's all about creating that connection between what's going on inside and what you're doing in the real world. And
Ah,
sometimes just visualizing what you want can give you the motivation and clarity to take those steps.
speaking of visualization, we actually have a guided visualization script here that might be really helpful for our listeners. Do you want
Hmm.
to lead us through it?
Oh, absolutely. This is a great way to experience the power of visualization firsthand. So, everyone listening, get comfortable, close your eyes, and I'll guide you into this deep state of relaxation and healing. Imagine this warm golden light all around you, like a gentle healing hug. Feel its radiance all over your body.
Now breathe in, and as you breathe in, imagine this golden light entering through the top of your head. Let it fill your mind with this sense of peace and clarity, just total ease. Now as you breathe out, imagine any tension, any pain, any worry just melting away, like mist disappearing in the morning sun. Just let it all go with each breath. Feel that gentle expansion in your chest as you breathe in, and the softening of your belly as you breathe out.
Feel that warmth from the healing light moving down your neck and shoulders, releasing any tightness or discomfort. It flows down your arms all the way to your fingertips, filling them with this new sense of energy and strength.
Let that warmth spread into your chest. Feel it nourishing your heart, your lungs, every organ with revitalizing energy, each heartbeat, a rhythm of harmony, resilience, vitality.
Now feel that golden light travel down your spine, soothing every nerve, relaxing every muscle, dissolving any resistance. It flows into your abdomen, bringing balance and ease and just deep nourishment.
And finally, let that light flow down through your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet, grounding you with strength and stability. You are bathed in this healing golden light now, every cell in your body vibrating with wellness.
Now, in this peaceful state, picture yourself standing in front of this crystal clear river. The water is pure and sparkling, flowing gently. This river, it represents that natural flow of health and vitality within you.
Step into that water. Feel it surround you. It's cool and refreshing, washing over you, taking away any pain, discomfort, or anything holding you back.
As the water flows around you, it carries away anything that doesn't serve you anymore, any negativity, doubt, or fear. Just watch it all dissolve and disappear, effortlessly carried downstream. Feel yourself getting lighter, freer, more energized.
Now feel the river filling you with fresh, pure vitality. Every drop of water is infused with this radiant well-being. Imagine it filling you with strength, energy, and this profound sense of inner peace. You feel lighter, more vibrant, totally in tune with your natural state of perfect health.
Just stay in this feeling for as long as you want. Enjoy that renewed sense of energy. And as you do, let yourself see your future self, a you who is healthy, strong, and full of life.
See yourself moving with ease and confidence. Imagine yourself making choices that nourish and support your body without even thinking about it, whether it's enjoying healthy foods or doing activities you love, or even just getting a good night's sleep. You're effortlessly drawn to choices that make you feel good.
You trust your body. You love your body. You celebrate your body. You are in harmony with your physical self.
Now put your hands over your heart and repeat these affirmations, either silently or out loud. I allow wellness to flow freely through me.
My body is strong, resilient, and vibrant.
I release all resistance and embrace vitality.
I take inspired action toward my health with ease and joy.
Now, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the surface beneath you, the sounds around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes.
Take a moment to appreciate that sense of peace and rejuvenation you feel. You carry this energy with you, allowing health and wellness to flow into everything you do.
When you're ready, open your eyes.